Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to get paint off of hardwood floors. This will be a very easy tutorial. It will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, there is quite a bit of paint on these hardwood floors, and I'm going to show you how to get it off. Now, what I have in here is a bucket full of mostly water with just a little bit of white vinegar. Okay, so this bucket has been filled with water, and I added probably about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar in here. So just a few drops, not a lot. Okay, just a little bit. I don't know what the portion is or the ratio, like whatever to whatever, how many parts to how many parts, but you just need quite a bit of water with just a little bit of white vinegar. And then you want just a small cloth. This is a microfiber cloth, but you want a non-abrasive cloth. A microfiber cloth will be your best bet because it's really not even going to leave any minor scratches on the floor. What you don't want to use is, you don't want to use any harsh chemicals, okay? Because a lot of people will clean their hardwood floors to get rid of the paint with these harsh cleaning products. You don't want to do that. That's going to deteriorate your hardwood flooring. In addition, you don't want to use anything abrasive. Don't use a sponge. Like, you can use a sponge on tile and stone, but not on hardwood flooring. You got to use something very soft, like a microfiber cloth right there. And the white vinegar is just a natural cleaning agent. It's not harsh at all. It's very safe. It's very soft. It's very natural, safe for the hardwood flooring. That's what I meant when I said safe. It's safe for the hardwood flooring. It's good to go. So what you're going to do is take your cloth, wring it out. You don't want a lot of water. You don't want to soak up the flooring and cause damage on it. So wring it out to the point where where it's just damp, okay? Now, like I said, usually I would be using 2 hands for this, but 1 hand is holding the camera, so I'm really going to try and just get rid of the majority of the water. As you can see, there was already water damage on this flooring in the past, from the past. So I don't want to cause any more. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at the paint right here. You can see there are many small marks, just like that, many tiny little marks. What you're going to do is you're going to take your microfiber cloth or your soft cloth, put some downward pressure and go over it, just like that. Okay, now what you can do in addition is you can use your nails, you can use the tips of your fingers to just really get as much of that paint off as possible. Okay, now, it is going to take some elbow grease. That's why people like using those harsh chemicals, because it doesn't take any elbow grease. But if you watch right here, so take a look right here, there was paint in that spot. I'm scrubbing it. So watch this area, okay? If I just really scrub it down, just like that, the paint is going to come off. Okay, as you can see, far less paint. Okay, once again, I'll clear out this area right here. Just apply the pressure and scrub back and forth. It's not... The reason people use harsh chemicals is because it makes it easy. You just wipe it off. But then you're going to kill your flooring. You're going to damage your flooring. So what you want to do is you want to use a soft chemical, but put in some elbow grease. Put in the time, and your flooring will last much longer. Okay? If you compare, you can see it's almost all gone. Okay? If you compare using harsh chemicals to natural cleaning agents like white vinegar, you know, the harsh chemicals make it easier to take off, but it also removes the layering of your hardwood flooring. Okay, there are layers of polyurethane, of a clear coat on top of your hardwood flooring. Once those come out, your floors are getting scratched, okay, noticeably scratched. As you can see right here, with a little bit of elbow grease, paint is gone. A couple small spots here and there that I have to get once again, but for the most part, you can see this is the area that was affected. The paint is gone, okay? You got to put in the time, you got to put in the effort. Your best bet is when you're painting, cover up the floor as much as you can so you don't have that problem right there. But with that being said, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.